I think I got it set up right. So the ball joint is going to be pushed in and come out the bottom. This is the bottom. I have the M adapter with the I adapter. Then I have the J adapter pushing on the ball joint. This is a 22 millimeter here. We're going to see if it comes out. I don't know. Don't have the slightest idea. Oh, you know what? That was a lot easier than what I thought it was going to be. I ain't going to fake the funk, which that was a lot easier than what I imagined. That came right out. Huh. All right. So I'm going to show y'all what I did. All right. So this is the bottom of the control arm. So take the M adapter, which is big enough to go around and not hit anything. We're going to take the I adapter, and then the screw sits right into the I adapter, and that just holds it stationary. This part does not move. So then when you flip it over, this is the, which one is this? This is the J adapter, and the J adapter sits on right there, and then this will push on that to push it out the bottom. So a lot of people say that these ball joints will fight them, but like I said, I guess for once something doesn't want to fight me. It just wanted to work. Make sure everything is lined up good. And just like that, 2 ball joints out. Way more simple than what I thought that it was going to come out. So it's 2 ball joints out.